Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Volkswagen e-Golf. The Volkswagen e-Golf is the company's first all-electric car. It maintains the spirited driving experience of internal combustion versions of the Golf. The e-Golf is the best handling electronic car in its class and is priced below $35,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, 8 speakers, rear window defroster. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.